Hello, we are going to present for assignment 2. My name is Dinesh, son of Santara Sekran. My metric number is 202585. My friends are Isma Usna, Farah Adila, and Siti Zulaiha. Next slide. The way we choose is Wenpong Weir. The Wenpong barrage is 475 meter long, 18-meter high regulating structure constructed at Son Kun River in Binh Dinh province in the center of Vietnam. In addition to ensuring irrigation water, the dam becomes a large bridge connecting the two banks of the Con River. This work has become a tourist attraction spot to attract many visitors of Tay San district. The special feature of the Wenpong is that it is a spillway designed in a style of PKW, which is piano key weir, a design with a threshold that protrudes before and after the top of the dam, with large flow capacity and capacity to hold it. Wenpong Weir is recognized as the largest piano key weir dam in the world. The area of the catchment is 17,112 hectares for the weir only. Next slide.
Thank you, Dinesh. My name is Isma Husnapti Ishak and my check number is 203041. So the type of weir that used in this river is piano key weir. The piano key weir is a particular geometry weir associating with the rectangular labyrinth shape. As we can see in the picture here, the PK weir is the alternating shape of rectangular weir. So basically, this weir can be classified as a sharp-crested weir under the rectangular types. So as we all know, rectangular weir consists of two types, which are contracted and suppressed. So based on the picture here, below, we have a flat surface and no contextual side. So thus, this weir can be classified as suppressed rectangular weir. So next, I'll pass the presentation to Farah.
Okay, thank you Isma. My name is Farah Adila binti Ahmad Marzuki. My matric number is 203699. Now I will proceed with the weir design characteristics. The figure in this slide shows the general design for piano keys weir. The dimension of the piano keys weir is of Van Phong in Vietnam, which is our selected design, is in the following table. The PKW is made of reinforced concrete. The upstream downstream length of weir is 12 meters. The upstream overhang crest length is 4.8 meters. The downstream overhang crest length is 2.7 meters. The base length of the weir is 4.5 meters. The total height of the weir is 4 meters. The total width of the weir is 301.8 meters. The inlet key width is 2.4 meters. The outlet key width is 2 meters. Lastly, the side wall thickness of the weir is 0.2 meters. Next slide. The Van Phong dam is designed with 10 radial gates in the central part and about 60 PKW units on each side. So the length of the piano keys weir is 121 meter and 181 meter respectively. The design flood for this weir is 12450 cubic meter per second, while the combined design discharge is 7520 cubic meter per second. Check flood events is carried out and is 15350 cubic meter per second, whereas the maximum combined check discharge is 8700 cubic meter per second. Now I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, so back to me again. I'm Isma Husnapti Ishak, 203041. So the equation used to calculate the discharge over the weir for this river as it is the rectangular weir. So the actual discharge will calculate using the equation of Q equal to CD times 2 over 3 times 2G times B H the power of 3 over 2, where the CD is coefficient of discharge, G is the gravity, B is the width of the weir, and the H is the flow depth. So meanwhile, the coefficient of the discharge for the weir can be found through these two equations depending on the ratio between the flow depth over the weir and the height of the weir. So if the ratio is less than 0.4, the CD will be equal to 0.62, the greatest, and the simplified actual discharge will be 1.83 times by the power of 3 over 2. Meanwhile, if the ratio is less than 5, the CD will equal the equation for CD will equal to 0.611 plus 0.07 times flow depth over the weir divided by head of the weir. So I will pass the presentation to Siti Zulaiha.
Thank you, Isma. I'm Siti Zulaiha binti Muhammad Shafi'i and my metric number is 203688. There are some advantages of this piano key weir. First is the weir helps to increase the discharge capacity without having to raise the dam wall as a whole. Next, it provides longer overflow, which it then helps to increase the specific discharge to be discharged at a given upstream head. Other than that, piano key weir has a unique flow pattern. Due to this, it can operate under submerged conditions at a higher efficiency. Then, the weir helps to reduce the cost for construction. This is because the weir has narrow footprint, which its volume is not huge. Therefore, the volume of concrete needed to construct the weir can be reduced too. And lastly, the piano key weir helps to reduce hydrostatic force. This also leads to cost savings. Next. So these are the weaknesses of this piano key weir. First, piano key weirs can only operate at lower heads. This is because when the water level increases, the relative benefit reduces asymptotically. And the last one is discharge decreases when the hydraulic loads increase. This is due to local submergence. That's all from us. Thank you.